Hello, everyone. Welcome to this channel where we explore the depth of Japanese culture together. Today, we'll dive into why the Japanese have such a deep love for rice, tracing its history to uncover the reasons. The more you understand the connection between rice and the Japanese people, the more fascinating and relatable Japanese culture will feel. So, let's jump right in. 1. The historical connection between the Japanese and rice. The beginning of rice cultivation. The history and development of rice farming in Japan. The history of rice in Japan dates back to around 300 BCE, when rice cultivation techniques were brought from the continent, and gradually took root in Japanese society. The spread of rice farming transformed rice into more than just a food. It became deeply embedded in people's lives and beliefs. In ancient Japan, villagers worked together to cultivate rice, forming communities through shared agricultural work. This communal effort is said to have influenced the later Japanese spirit of harmony. With the start of rice cultivation, farming villages developed across Japan, and rice production increased, providing a stable food supply and establishing an agricultural society. Japan's geography and climate are also well suited for rice farming, further boosting the growth of rice culture. Thus, the spread of rice farming became a fundamental element, supporting the Japanese way of life. Rice and Shinto. The important role of rice in Shinto and festivals. Rice has a deep connection to Japan's spiritual culture, beyond being a mere ingredient. In Shinto, rice is regarded as an important offering to the gods, symbolizing the prayer for a bountiful harvest. For example, the Ninensei festival, held throughout Japan, is a ritual where freshly harvested rice is offered to the gods. Such traditional events express gratitude for agricultural blessings, and reverence for nature's deities, establishing an inseparable bond between Shinto and rice. Beyond festivals and rituals, rice also holds a place of gratitude in everyday meals, represented in expressions like itadakimasu and gochisousama. This culture of appreciating rice can be considered a core aspect of Japanese spirituality that stems from Shinto beliefs. Through rice, the Japanese connect with nature and the gods, making rice an integral part of daily life. The value of rice in the Sengoku period. Rice as currency and wealth. During the Sengoku period, rice came to hold an even greater value beyond food. Rice was collected as tax among warlords, and was also used to pay the samurai stipends. At the time, rice was measured in units called koku, and the amount of rice produced represented the value of the land and the power of the lord. Thus, rice was the foundation of the economy, and a direct indicator of a daimyo's wealth and influence. Additionally, rice functioned as currency in commercial transactions, contributing to economic growth. Territories capable of producing abundant rice symbolized power, and lords competed to secure more rice. In this way, rice came to hold value beyond mere sustenance, growing in importance throughout the Sengoku period. 2. Why rice is embedded in Japanese food culture. The versatility of rice used in onigiri, sushi, donburi, and more. One of the main reasons rice is indispensable for Japanese people is its versatility. Rice takes center stage on Japanese tables, featured in various dishes like onigiri rice balls, sushi, and donburi rice bowl dishes. For example, onigiri can have endless variations by changing fillings and seasonings, making it a popular, portable meal option. In sushi, rice is used as vinegared rice, which pairs exceptionally well with fish, representing one of the most iconic dishes in Japanese cuisine. Similarly, in donburi dishes, rice plays a key role in providing satisfaction and balance. Dishes such as unadon grilled eel rice bowl, tendon tempura rice bowl, and oyakodon chicken and egg rice bowl all rely on rice to complete the experience. Rice is enjoyed for its flavor on its own and also pairs wonderfully with other ingredients and seasonings, making it a staple that people can eat daily without getting bored. This versatility is one of the reasons rice is so deeply rooted in Japanese food culture. Nutrition and energy. The nutritional value and energy rice provides. Another reason rice is highly valued in Japanese diets is its nutritional benefits and energy-providing capacity. Rice is rich in carbohydrates, making it an excellent energy source. For people engaged in physically demanding activities, rice is filling and sustains energy levels over extended periods, which historically made it a suitable food for laborers. Moreover, varieties beyond white rice, such as brown rice, are also packed with nutrients. Brown rice, for instance, contains abundant vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, aligning with the growing trend of health-conscious eating. B vitamins, for example, help relieve fatigue, and dietary fiber aids in improving gut health, which meets modern health needs. This nutritional value makes rice a preferred choice in daily diets. Compatibility with Japanese cuisine. How rice complements soy sauce, miso, and other Japanese seasonings. Finally, rice's compatibility with traditional Japanese seasonings is another reason why it is essential in Japanese food culture. With a mild yet rich flavor, rice complements uniquely Japanese seasonings such as soy sauce, miso, and vinegar. This pairing enhances the taste of Japanese dishes and adds depth to them. For example, soy sauce-based takikomi gohan seasoned rice and miso-flavored onigiri showcase the unique flavors created by combining rice with these seasonings, which are difficult to replicate with other ingredients. Additionally, the classic combination of miso soup and rice is a familiar staple in Japanese homes. This perfect pairing with seasonings has established rice at the heart of Japanese cuisine, making it an indispensable element of Japanese food culture. 3. The role of rice in modern Japan. Consumption in daily life. The Japanese people's affection for rice. Even in contemporary Japan, rice holds an essential place in daily life. Particularly in Japanese households, it has a strong presence as the staple food, making it indispensable on family tables. This is because, for Japanese people, rice is more than just a food item. Through rice, many Japanese feel a sense of family warmth and comfort, and the presence of warm rice on the table deepens family bonds. Furthermore, the aroma of cooking rice and the sight of freshly steamed rice evoke a sense of nostalgia and reassurance for many. This daily consumption is what makes rice feel special to Japanese people. Moreover, despite the increasing diversity of food in modern Japan, rice's importance remains unwavering. For example, while bread and noodles are also common in daily meals, many Japanese ultimately feel that rice is best, which sustains the consumption of rice in today's society. Bento culture. The importance of rice in Japanese bento boxes. In Japanese bento culture, rice plays a crucial role. As the star of the bento, rice is enjoyed as it is, seasoned, or in varied forms such as rice balls and seaweed-covered bentos. Rice is especially suitable for bentos due to its shelf stability and satisfying nature. The characteristic of Japanese rice, which remains delicious even when cold, makes it easy to carry in a bento and provides a fulfilling meal at lunchtime. Additionally, adding ingredients like pickled plums, furikake seasoned toppings, or salmon to the rice enriches its flavor and enhances nutritional balance. Furthermore, rice in a bento adds visual appeal. White rice complements the colors of other dishes, creating a visually pleasing bento. In this way, rice is indispensable in Japanese bentos, fulfilling Japanese hearts during their daily lunch break. Rice is a staple in the household. The importance of rice in home cooking and daily meals. The role of rice in the household goes beyond just being a staple. In many Japanese families, rice is a dinner essential, and the time spent gathered around freshly cooked rice is highly cherished. Especially in Japanese home cooking, dishes that pair well with rice such as miso soup, pickles, and grilled fish are often served, enhancing the satisfaction of meals. Additionally, the convenience of cooking rice with rice cookers, which allow families to enjoy fluffy rice at any time, is one of the main reasons why rice continues to be chosen as a daily staple. With advancements in rice cooker technology, it is now possible to prepare various types of rice dishes, such as porridge and sticky rice, expanding the range of home cooking. In this way, the rice-centered meal is a foundation in Japanese households, fostering family togetherness and bonds. For Japanese people, rice is not merely food but a part of family and cultural identity, and it will continue to play a vital role in daily life in the future. 4. Japan's rice industry and regional characteristics. Differences in production regions. Notable rice-producing regions like Niigata and Akita and their unique qualities. Niigata and Akita are among Japan's renowned rice-producing regions. known for their rich natural environments and favorable climates, ideal for rice cultivation. These regions produce some of the highest quality rice in Japan, earning widespread support and admiration. For instance, Niigata's high rainfall, cool summers, and snowy winters create ideal conditions for rice growing. These factors contribute to Niigata rice's distinctive qualities: firm grains with a rich sweetness. Akita, with its cooler climate, also provides an excellent environment for rice farming, producing rice known for its fluffy texture and rich aroma. These regional characteristics enhance the appeal of Japanese rice, allowing many consumers to appreciate the distinct tastes each region offers. Understanding how different climates and terrains affect the taste and quality of rice adds to the enjoyment at the dining table. The popularity of brand rice varieties, the appeal of renowned varieties like Koshihikari and Akita Komashi. Japan is home to popular branded rice varieties like Koshihikari and Akita Komashi, which enjoy high popularity. These branded varieties have been cultivated to highlight the unique traits of each region through careful breeding, resulting in exceptional quality and flavor. For example, Koshihikari, representing Niigata, is known for its stickiness, sweetness, and pleasant aroma when cooked. It is highly regarded not only in Japan but also internationally, making it synonymous with Japanese rice. Similarly, Akita Komashi, a brand from Akita, is known for its light flavor and fluffy texture. Each brand of rice has distinct characteristics, allowing Japanese consumers to enjoy a range of branded rice depending on their preferences and culinary needs. These brand varieties provide not just rice but also the enjoyment of selecting based on each brand's unique attributes, reflecting the deep-rooted support for brand rice among Japanese people due to rice's close connection to daily life. Farmers' efforts, innovations and techniques by farmers to maintain high quality. The high quality of Japanese rice is underpinned by the dedication and innovation of farmers. Farmers continually strive to improve quality by adopting methods suited to local climates and soils, ensuring they produce rice that satisfies consumers. For example, farmers in Niigata and Akita pay close attention to soil improvement, water management, and the timing of harvest. They also minimize pesticide use and adopt organic farming practices, considering the natural environment, supporting sustainable agriculture. Recently, smart farming technologies like drones and sensors have also been introduced to enhance the efficiency and quality of rice production. These efforts by farmers uphold the high standards of Japanese rice, providing consumers with safe, delicious rice. The continuous dedication of farmers, along with the latest technologies, supports Japan's rice industry and contributes to its further development. 5. The future of rice and the Japanese diet. Declining consumption and changes in young people's eating habits. The continued decline in rice consumption can be largely attributed to changes in Japanese dietary habits. In the past, rice was a staple at every meal: breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but nowadays, reliance on other carbohydrates, such as bread and pasta, has grown. Furthermore, especially among young people, the fast-paced lifestyle has led to a preference for foods that require minimal preparation, including fast food. The rise of health-conscious diets has also impacted rice consumption, as many people now opt to limit their carbohydrate intake. Low-carb diets are becoming more widespread, which in turn has led to reduced rice consumption. Additionally, Japan's aging and shrinking population is accelerating this decline. With smaller family sizes, the amount of rice cooked at home tends to be less. As a result of these factors, the relationship between Japanese people and rice is evolving. However, rice remains essential in home-cooked meals and traditional events. As consumption declines, the challenge is to find new ways to highlight rice's value. New ways to enjoy rice. To rediscover the appeal of rice, innovative uses have emerged. For example, rice flour-based bread and desserts, which are gluten-free, are gaining popularity among health-conscious consumers. Not only bread and cakes but also rice flour pizzas and pasta are appearing, expanding ways to enjoy rice beyond its traditional forms. Rice flour sweets, characterized by their soft texture similar to traditional Japanese confections, are also becoming popular. Unique desserts that combine rice flour with Japanese ingredients like matcha and red bean paste are gaining attention as new treats that reflect Japanese culture. These innovations help young people appreciate the versatility of rice-based products, promoting rice consumption beyond the conventional bowl of rice. This new enjoyment of rice may have a meaningful impact on the future of Japan's dietary habits. The future of rice for Japanese people. Rice is deeply intertwined with Japanese life, but its role continues to evolve. The future of rice consumption will likely blend tradition with new culinary practices. As sustainable farming gains attention, organic cultivation and branded rice that highlights regional characteristics are being revalued. Additionally, the global popularity of sushi and Japanese cuisine could potentially increase domestic demand for rice. Through exports and introducing innovative ways to enjoy rice, a future is envisioned in which rice is cherished by even more people. While maintaining Japan's traditional rice culture, new rice-based dishes tailored to modern needs are anticipated. In this way, rice is more than just a staple food for the Japanese. It will continue to enhance Japanese tables in various forms, holding an enduring value that evolves with the times. Thank you for staying with us through this exploration of the deep connection between Japanese people and rice, as well as its future. If you found the historical importance, new ways to enjoy rice, or the future outlook interesting, please consider liking and subscribing. Join us next time as we continue to explore the fascinating aspects of Japanese culture together. See you soon.